I found Livy, and it changed everything.
It's now part of my regimen. If I'm breastfeeding or if I'm pumping, that's my go-to.
I can do all sorts of things to actually produce milk.
They help with engorgement and just help.
Secret you were holding out on, this is the best.
Cozy covers were designed for moms on the go who want their babies protected, warm, and secure, without the hassle of bulky baby clothes or thick onesies. On frozen winter mornings or chilly summer evenings, the Cozy cover keeps your baby protected from the elements in ultra-soft comfort. Cozy covers are universally engineered with a shower cap design to fit all standard baby carriers. Each Cozy cover also features dual zippers for easy access and seals your baby into durable, weather-proof protection. Cozy covers do not interfere with any of the child safety straps and keep your baby snuggled in warmth on cold winter mornings while your car is still in that deep freeze.
I have had a super simple pregnancy, so I really can't complain. However, the biggest issue I've had through this entire pregnancy is sleep, by far. And ever since I found the Boppy pregnancy support pillow, I have been in absolute heaven. It not only has the greatest contouring shape, so it fits right between my knees so they don't get sore from being on top of each other, but it also fits right under my belly. I've tried. The Fit cover is not only super soft, but also washable, and the pillow inside is made of 100% virgin fiber, so it's good for you, it's good for baby, and again, it's washable. So having those two things when you use a pillow every single night through your
easier. The Amaryl manual breast pump from Ardo ensures your baby gets your precious breast milk even when you can't be with them. With the Amaryl, center the breast shell over your nipple and start pumping using short, rapid movements to begin with. Once the milk starts to flow, switch to slow pumping movements. Press the lever as far as is comfortable for you. The Amaryl is ideal for right and left-handers and can also be operated easily by mums with smaller hands. The Ardo Amaryl, the individual manual breast pump for efficient, ergonomic pumping.
On the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
All right, we got this. We're just taking a break. Oh no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, that can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about the app, to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay, yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
A new ergonomic kit for your comfort. Easily assembled and easier cleaning for anyone in your care circle. An intuitive display with simple, clear icons. Easy powering on. An effortless pairing to the My Medela app to streamline tracking and give mom expert advice at her fingertips. Our highest performing personal use breast pump delivers hospital performance, inspired by Medela's hospital-grade, multi-user Symphony breast pump. Engineered with Medela's trusted two-phase expression technology, shown to get more milk in less time when double pumping, with 2 pumping rhythms, each with 10 levels of suction, for your comfort. 1 hour of cordless pumping. And responsive pump technology that actually adjusts to changes in the environment, like altitude, and changes in your body, such as breast fullness, to get comfortable, consistent performance with every pump.
Your little one is growing fast and getting more mobile every day. The Pop and Play portable play yard helps make this time easier by creating a safe play area for your child. The ultra lightweight compact folding frame comes out of the box fully assembled, meaning this indoor-outdoor play yard can be set up and taken down in a matter of seconds, making it perfect for use at home, the park, or a weekend away. The weather and water-resistant flooring help keep baby dry even on damp grass, while the airy mesh sides provide added ventilation as well as increased visibility. The footprint of 14 square feet with a 26-inch height rail offers plenty of room for baby to move around in secure safety. A travel bag with shoulder strap is included.